Hello, Paul here from EMD. I've got a Porsche 996 turbo. Today I'm doing a alternator. This is the actual turbo that I was doing the actual video of checking the actual alternator about two weeks ago. On this vehicle I actually done the test, and actually the alternator was running low. So now I've just installed the brand new alternator from Bosch. This is a Bosch alternator, fully installed. So I had to take the intake off, airbox off, the AC line bracket there that goes on the actual intake as well. That little hose there, and that little hose there is very hard to take off as well. It's very hard to put in, this one here, because it's very tight, because it goes on, see how it's connected like that, and it goes underneath here, the plug, and that little actuator sits on top there. Yeah, pretty painful to get off. Make sure you block off all the intakes, that one there, and that one there. You don't need to block off the middle one because it's shut, it's got a butterfly there. Just make sure you have a look inside before you actually put the intake back on the pipe, and put some grease here, some grease there, and make sure the actual clip goes the right way and locks. That's why I always draw a little mark there, so to make sure that the clip goes that way, because you can't put it the other way, and it is the wrong way if you put it the other way. But anyway, so the belt's on, pulley's on, torqued up to 45 Newton meters, that one there, and that one there, and the back one is a twin wire for the actual alternator, and one B+ wire for the cable for the actual alternator. The big cable is only one wire. Some have one, some have two, so make sure it's got a 2-pin. I'll show you what I mean. This is what I mean here. Some alternator have 1 pin. This one's got 2 pin. Some have 1 only. And this is the old one. Just like that. 120 amps. That's the old part number. That's of the 996 turbo if you're wondering. That's the part number there. Anyway, so yeah, now I'm gonna do the installation of all the parts I removed. Actually, one more thing. When you forgot to tell you guys, when you take the alternator out, make sure you check this blow-off valve hose here. Most 996 turbo, they actually crack and break off. Just make sure you look underneath. Make sure they're not cracked. Make sure they're not cracked on top. They usually crack on top here. Just double squeeze of your hand and have a look, double check it, and make sure it's not broken, because very important, that little pipe that he actually cause a lot of pain sometimes. But that is a common problem. They fail all the time, this hose here. I'm just trying to make sure this one is not cracked. This one looks alright. It's hard to see, but that one looks alright. Anyway, just make sure that it's not broken. So now I'm going to install everything back together and then do another video when I finish starting everything back up. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.